Trying to stitch this bowl back. Plastic bowl for one of those salad spinners. I don't give two shits what it looks like, as long as it's not cracked. Tried regular glues, crazy glues, rubber glues. I even melted it with a chemical. That lasts for a while. That was the best. But it's really not the right plastic that melts well, but it did good, and I added some more plastic. So now I'm just freaking another shit you could do. This is from a VHS tape. You gotta find similar plastic. First, with this broken soldering tip iron, I was just over the crack. First I glued the crack with that shit that melts it again. Then I was doing X's all the way up, like stitching it. I have a little extra stuff up here that was there from the last time, and then I started just laying this in and smoothing it out instead of having this. It's much smoother, you could tell by the sound. Anyway, it's laying some material in. I don't want to put pieces of metal pushed in for strength, because this is shit, who knows, it might fall off on the table and then someone's chewing on it and they got a spike through their gum. This is just melted on plastic. Anyway, where's some of the rough area? It's hard to do. Laying it in there. Trying to melt it. Yeah, I could probably smear this and it'll cover it, but it's not melted into the other plastic. It's only going to peel off. If it don't work, I'll put some dirt in it and put a plant, drill some holes in the bottom. Take that. I know it looks like crap. What you gonna do? Either buy a new one or do this. Feel pretty good heat on the other side, not tremendous. I'd like to really melt this in, but you're at risk of deforming it or putting a hole in it, and then you really have a party on your hands. I'd like to feel the heat, so I know it's, yeah, I'm burning my finger a little bit now. Salad will never know the difference. I could even paint a black stripe here, or a stripe on each side to hide this mess. Want it to be sharp. It might get caught on some rags when you wash it, but If you know it's there, then be careful. Anyway, that's it. Short little shit video. Let me get this thing out of the way.